welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back, guys. Today we are doing a monthly favorites on some of my favorite or new pickups or things that I've been clinging to recently in this past or current month. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Also, guys, if you have been watching my videos for a while and still haven't subscribed, why haven't you? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, comment some things you want to see if I'm not giving you what you want and that's why you haven't subscribed. But guys, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You know you wanna. Well, let's go ahead and get into the video, guys. All right, guys, first thing on my video today, I wanted to talk about this e.l.f. Mineral Primer. At first, when I used this product, I felt like it bothered my face, but also, I don't know if you other makeup artists or influencers do it, but I shave my face sometimes because around my sideburn areas, they can get a little hairy, and then when you do makeup, you can see it more defined. So I like to shave my face frequently, and what I'm thinking is that maybe this with the fresh, maybe that would irritate it, but I've been using it recently, and the primer is it's unmatched. Ooh, that's good. This primer is unmatched, okay? It's affordable because I got this, I purchased this at Walmart, and it gives you such a light, like, serum that you just like are like so in love with it. Like, it just feels good to my skin. So I love this new primer by e.l.f. It is mineral infused face primer, and you can purchase this at your local drugstore or any drugstore that sells e.l.f. products. You should be able to purchase this from. So definitely must have if you don't have it already. All right, guys, and recently, I think y'all may have seen it, but if you haven't, I will put the link up here where I did a drugstore haul, and one of the drugstore products that I purchased was the Milani cosmetic line, and this right here is their Luminoso Bake Blush, and I love it because, like, for the look I have on now, I have it on, and it just gives me a soft, natural look that you can see I have blush on, but it's not overpowering. The application does come with a mini brush in the inside. My brush is not in here, but it does come with it, as well as a mirror in the inside, which I feel like is always a plus with any makeup product you buy that provides you with a mirror, because it's like you could be having this as a travel size, and then you could be doing it in a car, and it's just like as a bonus to you, you know, as you're getting dressed. So I definitely would say, please go purchase this. I know in the beginning when I purchased these products, I wasn't too for it, but I said I wanted to give it another try, and I have been, and I'm really liking some of the products that I have been using. And for this one, this is definitely a pickup. All right, guys, and while I'm still on the face area, I want to talk to you about the Jade Roller. I recently purchased this because I seen someone on TikTok use it. They were talking about how it defines their face, and I've been using it, not consistently, but I have been using it. I also saw B. Simone using it in her video as well, and she used it to define her face areas. I don't know if you guys can tell like how defined my neck area is. Like, can you see that this is a pimple, y'all, so disregard that. But if you can see how like my neck is looking more defined, I don't know if it's because I cut my hair or what, but I have been using this. I purchased mine from Amazon. I love it. I've been using it. They say to use it best with an oil or a moisturizer. Usually when I wash my face at night, I usually will put my moisturizer on, which is my Biosense, and I will just use it and just like massage it in. Sometimes I won't use an oil at all. I just use it when I'm just sitting here, because they say the best time it works is when you're doing it for a certain amount of minutes. So I just normally just use this with oil, without oil, but I have noticed a slight difference within my neck as it being defined. I mean, it's not going to change. It doesn't wipe away fat. So of course you're going to see my rows a little bit that are there. But as far as the define in my neck and my face area, I feel like it is truly doing what it's supposed to do. So this is another must-have or pickup. Since we're in the face area, I wanted to talk about this Thermal Breath mouthwash. I actually seen this on TikTok as well. I'm like, this may also maybe end up as like TikTok maybe buy it type of situation. But I've seen a lot of people talk about how this keeps your breath fresh for 24 hours no matter what you eat. And it just helps with if you have any issues with, it said it works instantly to target bad breath germs, no alcohol, artificial flavors or colors, no burning. And it says fight breath for 24 hours. So I'm like, yeah, right. So I was going to look on Amazon, but when I went to Walmart and saw that I need some more toothpaste, I was in a toothpaste aisle and I saw it. I'm like, I'm going to pick it up because I want to try it. But basically it works. You have to follow the directions on here because you have to rinse your mouth with the mouthwash for about a minute and then you gargle for 30 seconds. And that way it helps all the areas that focus your breath or areas that may target bad breath or just areas that need to be focused on. So this definitely benefits you, and not just because of bad breath or anything like that, but because like if you're like me, I like onions, I like things that may give your breath a little kick. So I like, let me try this because I love onions on my salad, and every time I get onions, my husband's always like, take a step back or something like that, just like he could just smell it. So I was like, let me just figure out something, you know, that will help, because I mean, you can't be cute and got bad breath or breath smell like onions or whatever you done ate. So I definitely would advise this if you're having trouble with bad breath or you just want to have that fresh breath for 24 hours. Definitely try the thermal breath. It definitely works and you will get your money's worth. The next thing while we're at the breath area is this, wow, I had it upside down. Since we're talking about the breath area, is this Arm & Hammer toothpaste. This is the Advanced White toothpaste. I like this toothpaste because, you know, well, I don't know if you ever been told about toothpaste or brushing teeth or how to whiten your teeth. I know at one point everyone used to say use baking powder, baking soda, sorry, and that'll help. And so I was like, well, I did some research, and I also seen on TikTok where someone else had said like they use it and it helps to keep their teeth white. So me, I'm very big on like my face area. Like that's what we got working with. You know, there's no, you know, I'm not even gonna say that. I just like to focus on my face because that's like a target area for me. And so the way my teeth look is important. And so this Arm & Hammer Advanced White toothpaste was one that they said helps whiten your teeth. And so I wanted to try it out, and it has definitely been working. You can definitely taste like the baking soda. Oh, is that my saying the right? Baking soda? Yeah, baking soda. Like you can tell that it has baking soda in it, so you can tell like it's really working. And I feel like that and the thermal together is kind of like doing its own little thing with my whitening my teeth and just my whole overall dental experience, because I'm very high on my teeth, because since I've been trying to like get my teeth together because I want to get braces on my bottom row, I just want to make sure I'm doing what I need to do to obtain my teeth, so that way when I get my braces, like, you know, I'll be all together down there. Not down there, but in there. So I would definitely advise to purchase this if you're very focused on whitening your teeth without going to the dentist or having them whiten it for you, or just some natural ways to whiten your teeth. This is definitely a must-have. All right, guys, and since we are talking about the mouth area, I recently was trying to do this like healthy thing to lose weight, and I did lose weight, guys, but I did have some backslide. I did backslide a little bit, but that's neither here nor there. When I was doing my healthiness, I did purchase some multivitamins, and these are the Hello Organic Women's Multivitamin. They're gummies, which I like because it just helps. I'm not the best pill taker. Like, I'd be having to do a lot, like, just to take a pill. I'm not like the extra people, but I gotta keep drinking so much water. I want to feel the pill go down so I know that's done with. Like, that's just too much. So the gummies I'm really excited about. They taste good. They have vitamin B6, I'm sorry. That helps with the immunity. They have vitamin E that helps with your antioxidants and powder. And the vitamin D that helps with your bones. And this is a dietary supplement, so that's why I did purchase it when I was doing my dieting. I'm going to get back to that, and that may be for a later video, but guys, this is definitely a must-have, especially ladies, if you're looking for a multivitamin but don't like to take pills like I do, and it's organic, then definitely purchase these Hello Organic Women Vitamins, because these are a must-have, and I actually am just about out, so definitely purchase these. And did I even take some today? I don't think I did. Let me get mine in while we get it, because you gotta take 3 a day. You have to take 3 a day, so I'm gonna just go ahead and pop mine in because I be forgetting. But luckily for these, you don't have to take these at a certain time. You don't have to take them with the meal. You can just take them. So definitely a must have. I'm gonna come back when I finish shaking. All right, guys, another must have or pick up. Since I recently cut my hair, I've been working on trying to focus on products that can help tame, train, and upkeep my hair. So I did see a video where one lady had talked about like jelly curl activator. So I went and purchased this Luster's hair activator gel cream. This is the curl and wave gel activator. It helps with curls, waves, and natural hair. So that's currently helping me get these little baby curls I got going on right here, and helping me like just train my hair to the curls or the pattern or the style that I want it to be, so that as my hair continues to grow, my hair can progress in the right direction. Okay. And I purchased that from my local beauty supply store, so you can get that at your local beauty supply store. I think I've also seen those in Walmart as well. So any place that sells hair products, you should be able to purchase those as well. So that is the Luster Hair Gel Activator. And then also is the Cantu Super Shine Hair Silk. And I love the way this smells. If you ever seen or heard of me doing a hair review or product review, I'm very key on smell, and that is another reason why I like my Aussie products, because they smell good. But this is definitely, outside of the hair, outside of how it smells, I could talk, it works really good. It's very lightweight, and I like it because it helps prevent breakage and damage. Because since I cut my hair, I don't want to have any breakage or bad issues with the hair that's growing back in, as well as damage it because I did dye and color my hair. I mean bleach and color. Y'all can't talk. But because I did bleach and color my hair, I want to make sure that I'm still taking care of my hair, whether it be short, long, or whether I'm bald. I want to make sure that I'm taking care of my hair, whatever hair I have. You want to make sure that you're taking good care of your hair. And sometimes you have to pay, you gotta pay the cost to be the boss type of situation. But it is a little bit expensive. I think I paid like $8 for this. But guys, I used to use this a long time ago, and it's very lightweight. I love what it does. It prevents and it repairs split ends. So you really can't go wrong when you have healthy hair. So it's like a win-win situation. So that is a must-have as well. All right, guys. Lastly, I want to show you this product. If you're like me, you haven't been to the nail salon, and well, I haven't been. You already know I do my own nails, but that's been way before the pandemic. I've been doing my own nails, but I usually go every now and then to get my feet done. But recently, I haven't even been going for that since they've opened up either, because I just don't. I don't want to even try it. I don't know. Maybe I'll do it later, but right now I'm not. But one thing I've already been using, y'all, I have been using it, so don't judge me. And yeah, but it's just the Mr. Palmer's brush. This is the coarse side, and this is the mild coarse side. But it helps. You use it while you're taking a shower, or you got some type of moisturizer or luster on your feet, and you scrub your feet. It helps keep it smooth. It helps get the dead skin off, and it just helps give you that pedicure feel without the pedicure. So definitely, if you're like me and have been to the nail salon in a while, that is definitely a must-have product. You can get that at your local beauty supply store, and they're usually about $2.99 or $3 at the most of that. So definitely that's a must-have. All right, guys, well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy these monthly favorites and these monthly go-tos. If any of these products I mentioned in today's video that you use at home or for yourself, comment below and let me know how you use it or how it benefits or works for you. I love to see and hear about how these products work out for you. Definitely, if you made this far in the video, guys, please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And I just want to thank everybody so much for taking the time to continue to subscribe, loyal, and just watch my videos and give me good, positive feedback. I truly appreciate it, and it does not go unnoticed. So definitely want to give y'all some thanks over there and some credit. But guys, as always, stay true and stay you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.